How to reach the top of the screen with one thumb on the iPhone 16 series. First, we must turn on this feature. It's called Reachability. So go into settings. Now in settings, I'm going to go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down and tap on accessibility. After that, we scroll down. And in here, you want to tap on touch. Then tap on reachability. Now make sure this toggle button is turned on. Once it is turned on, you can simply using one thumb like this, and then from that you can pull down the top of the screen down to around midway. So from here you should be able to easily reach the top of the screen with one hand, and that's it. So using just one thumb will allow you to bring down the top of the screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.